Hello and welcome in Seema Lifestyle. Today I am showing you how to make your own plants absolutely free. There is no charge from your own garden. So I will show you some cutting, different ways I will show you from some cutting, some from self seedling, or some how to collect seeds from your own garden so you can sow them and you will have absolutely free, no cost, wonderful beautiful plants and lots of plants, and early summer you can have them. So here we go. Let's see what I am going to do. So let's see. First I will have some cutting. First I am taking some cutting from my hydrangea. So we will cut them nicely with your sharp scissors because we don't want to ruin them. I am taking some cutting and then I will show you how to do that. I am taking just two cuttings from hydrangea and then I will show you other plant. Plant is going very well, so I am taking couple of cuttings. And cutting, you always make sure this should not be dry out. There should be very fresh one. Okay, I have taken some. Okay, now I have shown you how to take cutting, and now I am collecting some seeds from my plant. It is nasturtium plant. I will show you in a minute how it will look. So I am collecting some seeds. They leave after blooming, so I am collecting and I will dry them, and then in next season, and they are self seedling, we can throw them wherever we want. So they looks like that. I will show you some more. Okay, I am going to show you fresh one as well. This is the plant. It is wonderful plant. It goes very well and it is self seedling. If you drop your seeds anywhere you like, in your pots or in the ground, they looks like that, and you let them just dry and sow in your ground or pot, something like that. They look so beautiful. Okay, look at this plant. It is marigold. It is looking so pretty, and so when they get dry out, just collect few of them, and then collect few of them, dead one, and I will show you how to do next step. This is the hydrangea. What I am going to do, just I am removing these leaves, so all the leaves will go away. And what I am going to do, I will cut in a diagonal with sharp knife, and you can see there is a buds, and then it will go just in your pot. Always try to have some good quality soil. I have this multi-purpose, so it is very good, and we just doing that. I am showing you another one. And same thing we can do like that, few cuttings, and then we will leave them somewhere in warm, and they will grow. They will be ready in March and April. And then other one is I collected some lavender one. So lavender one is as well like that. Just pop them in your soil, something like that. So they will grow. You can share with your friends as well, so they will grow. And then just little firm and little water. I already watered in my soil, so it is enough. And then I will leave them somewhere in warm. And then other one, I collected some seeds. These seeds, what you can do, just dry them out, and then next season just throw in your pots or in soil, And then next one I was showing you, these are the marigold. Look at this marigold. And then from one flower, dead flower, you can make so many. Just let them dry in your somewhere in your house, in conservatory or in your porch, and then when they are dry in next season, either you can sow directly on your bed, or you can sow them in your pot. So here we go. Now you can see you can how can you make free plants from your garden. It is so amazing and so much fun, actually. More than anything, it is so much fun doing yourself. And I'm going to so guys, you just do yourself and share what you did in your from your garden. And then please keep watching my other videos, and keep sharing, subscribe and like. See you, bye.